Hi folks, welcome back. So today we're going to see how we can edit an annotation message. So first, let's select the screen we want to annotate and then add our message. Great. Now let's see how we can beautify this. So when we click here, we have the options to bold, change the text size, italicize, and center line as well. So, let's select this. Let's click on bold, let's click on italics. All right, great. We also have the option to add hyperlinks. I see and upload an image option over here. All right, so this is a Google Calendar demo. So let's go ahead and add a Google Calendar logo. I have one in my library and I'll be uploading that. Right, I have added the logo. I will be clicking on insert. Great. Let's change this a little. Let's center align the logo. Perfect. This looks pretty visually engaging. Plus, with Fable, we can also integrate lead forms into our demos. Let's go to lead forms. Enter your email. This looks really good. Let's elevate your interactive product demos together. Thank you, folks. Please stay tuned for further videos.